All right, everyone, so here is the finished look, and I want to break down what I did to achieve it. So this is a professional razor. This is called a feather razor. It's a professional hair tool, so you're probably wondering what this is, but I use this to do most of the haircut, and what it does is it scrapes off a lot of the weight and makes the hair very, very wispy, and that's what is great about doing this on these anime type haircuts, because because it's all animated and created by an artist, they can really create the detail on everything, and it's very, very wispy and piecey and a lot of movements and layers and stuff. So in order to achieve that, you have to use something like this, which gives it that very soft, wispy type of look, and that's the way I try to replicate these anime haircuts, which you all like so much. And then really what I did is I just picked up chunks of hair and sliced at it. It was kind of like I was in a battle with the mannequin head, like a sword fight, and that's what I was doing, taking hair. And so I don't suggest trying that if you're not a professional, because you'll probably lose a finger or two, but that's the technique that I did. A lot of times I get questions like, what do I say to my barber? What do I say to my hairstyle? This is a very, very unique type of haircut and skill set that I don't suggest just going to any random barber or hairstylist that is taking 15, 20 minutes on a haircut, because this is really, really detailed and it takes someone who really understands. So I would just find people who do more artsy, creative, edgy work, and you can look them up on Instagram and see what they're creating. I would say try to find people like that, because they're used to doing the more creative stuff, right? And that's what I suggest. So let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this. And don't forget, on my website, shop.TheSalonGuy.com, I have an anime hairstyle kit that can help you achieve these types of styles, because it does take a certain type of brush to achieve this, a hairspray, a paste, right, a wax paste to really get those pieces locked in. So check that out and use code YouTube20. You get 20% off and free shipping on orders over $50.